Before buying any land in Maharashtra or in any other state, you must check this one document, that is Satbara. In Maharashtra, you can download it from bhule.mahabhumi.gov.in. Here select Satbara. Now this 8A property card and K Patra. We'll check in it in some another video. Satbara. Here I selected district Thane, Taluka Thane, Gav. I randomly selected Airoli. If you know the server number, select server number. If you know the name, click on name and just type his name. Then I added randomly, for example, server number 23. Once you write 23 and search, it will give all the server numbers which has 23 in it. Or if you know the server number directly, just add that server number. Add your mobile number and all these details, you will get the Satbara. But this Satbara downloaded is used just to check. It cannot be used for legal purpose. For legal purpose, you have to pay 10 rupees and it will get downloaded. Here I downloaded the Satbara. This Satbara is for village Nandore, Taluka Palghar, district Palghar. Now here you have the information Gat Kramanka or Upavibhag, that is survey number. Here it is 23/3. What does 23/3 indicates? For example, in that village the land is divided into 23 parts, and that 23rd part got further divided into 3 parts, and the third part belongs to this person. Okay. Now, Bhudharan Paddhati. It means occupant class. In Maharashtra Revenue Code, there are 3 classes 1, 2, and 3. They are called Bhogotadhar Varga. 1 is a freehold. He can sell the land anytime he wants. But 2 and 3, there are some restrictions. For that, you have to take the prior permission of the government. To the left hand side corner, you have Kshetra or Akarni. Kshetra means area, Akarni is taxation. Lagvard Yogya Kshetra. It means land suitable for cultivation. Jirayat, rainfed. Bagayat means agricultural. Bagayat means which is dependent on irrigation. Now here rainfed land is 1.8.00. What does it indicate? 1 hectare 80 R and 00 square meter. Okay, now everyone knows 1 hectare means 2.5 acres. Right? Lagvard Ayogya means wasteland. It also has 2 types, A and B. A in the sense if from your land the river passes through, so this will consider as a wasteland. Another, if from your land the road is passing, then this will consider in the class, it is Varga B. They are different. The list is exhaustive. This all is given in the Maharashtra Land Revenue Code of 1966. Okay. Akarni means taxation. Here taxation is 16.25 paisa. It is per hectare. Now these taxation rates are very low considering they are not revised. Zudi kiva Vishesh Akarni. It means the discount in taxes or any concession given. Here there is no concession. Khate Kramanko. Khate Kramanko means what? Account number. Account number says, account number in the sense it contains, for example, if 218 Khate number, what information you will get from it? It will give the information of the person who owns the land parcel. For example, there is a person named Ram who has 3 server numbers in that village. For example, 23/3, 26/2, 25/1. Now this combined information will be available in one Khate number. For example, this Khate number will be 28. For example 218. So in that 218, we'll get the information that Ram in that particular village, it is for here Nandore village, has 3 survey numbers on his name. भूगोडाराचे नाव, name of the owner, क्षेत्र as I told you, area, आकार, taxes. फेरफार. फेरफार means what? Mutation. It's the official process of updating the ownership details in the government land records. For example, there is a sale in land or gift deed, partition, inheritance after death, or anything. Any record updation will be done through a फेरफार. Now this from 1190, through this फेरफार some changes has been made in the Satbara. There will be the list of old फेरफार here. For example, now if you check if you go for 280, you will found out that through 280 number mutation these are the changes has been taken place. Or 288, for example, there must be change in ownership or anything. All that information will be available in this old फेरफार, that is mutations. Now कुल, खंड व इतर अधिकार. कुल in the sense the original family or group to which this land traditionally belonged. For example, this means like for your father's patrimony, your great grandfather, this land belongs to him. Cool, that is in your family lineage, this land was belonged to. Khand means what? That land got fragmented in different small pieces. And itar adhikar means what? Other rights. Other rights refer to any legal right over the land held by someone other than the owner. It can be a bank. Then in Maharashtra, sometimes it is primary agriculture society who usually gives the loans to the farmers. So their name falls in the other rights, that is other adhikar. Now in this, other than owner, no one has like shared ownership. Now I have one more Satbara. For example, see here itar adhikar. In itar adhikar you will see the name of the banks, because bank might have given loan to this person and kept this land as a mortgage. So there are the name of the banks in itar adhikar. So before doing any transaction, you have to clear this amount. If you want to buy this land, then that particular person has to clear all this loan before he transfers the land to some another person. Okay, now see Gaon number 7. We usually talk about Satbara, that is form number 7 gives us the information about the ownership, while form number 12 gives us about the information about what crops were cultivated in that land in that particular time. Now in this particular land there is no crops were cultivated, so see here there is no record of Pikache or name of the crop. There is no name of the crop because it might not be cultivated in last 3 years, so there is no such records. So that's it. If you need any information further, please free to comment.